Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram feeds not updating, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps. Go to apps again, and here you will find you should search for Instagram feeds, just type feeds and then click force stop. Go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions and allow all those permissions here. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to Play Store and make sure to clear Play Store cache, click clear cache, and also force stop it. And after that, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.